Solana has emerged as the second hottest NFT space after Ethereum, with several projects launching every day. With Ethereum gas fees still high, minting NFT on Solana is a trendy and budget-friendly alternative, and in this post, we'll explain in detail how to do it, from choosing a project to viewing NFT of the Phantom Wallet. We'll also look at the emerging NFT ecosystems on other blockchains, Kusama, Polygon, and Phantom. Why are Solana NFTs so popular? Solana is an exceptionally fast proof-of-stake blockchain that supports smart contracts and decentralized applications. Many consider it the ultimate Ethereum killer because Solana can process up to 65,000 transactions per second at the price of just $0.00025 each. For comparison, Ethereum can process only 20 transactions each second, while the fee was around $30 in mid-October 2021. Using some basic math, you'll see that Solana is 3,250 times faster and 120,000 times cheaper. When it comes to handling NFT, the difference becomes even more drastic. Minting or sending a non-fungible token on Ethereum requires more computational resources than sending ETH, because you have to interact with a custom smart contract. Therefore, you'll have to pay more in gas fees, sometimes over $100, which can be more expensive than the NFT itself. By contrast, the average price for minting an NFT on Solana is just 0.00001 SOL or $0.015 as of October 2021. Another advantage of Solana-based NFT is that minting takes a couple of seconds and almost never fails. On Ethereum with its overcrowded mempool transaction queue, it can happen that your minting process drags on for many minutes and results in a failure, yet the buyer still has to pay the gas fee. Ethereum-based marketplaces like OpenSea offer gasless minting, but there are quite a few other fees to pay for opening an account, for listing NFT and canceling bids, etc. All things considered, if you're new to NFT and would like to get one without spending too much, Solana is a better option. Minting vs buying on a marketplace. There are two ways to buy NFT, in the primary or secondary market. Primary sales, mint sites. In this scenario, you are buying directly from the creators of an NFT collection. In other words, you'll be the first ever buyer of a specific asset. The most common way to release a collection is through minting. You pay a set fee and an NFT is issued, but you can't know in advance which one it will be. There is an element of surprise and wonder to minting, a bit like opening a Christmas present. If you're lucky, the resulting NFT will turn out to be rare, that is, have some rare traits such as red eyes, a holographic background, a crown on its head, and so forth. Most collections include between 5,000 and 10,000 NFT, and among those thousands, there can be just 10 or 20 of the given trait, making them very valuable to collectors and serious NFT investors. For example, this Degen Ape, issued on Solana, sold for $1 million because it had several rare attributes at once: a brain in its mouth, a halo, and a golden tooth. Projects usually have a dedicated minting site, and the date and time of a mint are announced well in advance. Popular collections can sell out in minutes. If you are late but would still like to get an NFT from a specific collection, your best option is to look for good offers on marketplaces. Secondary sales, marketplaces. Many people mint NFT only to resell them as quickly as possible for a profit. Once a mint is finished, you'll see dozens of assets pop up on marketplaces. But if the minting fee is the same for everyone, secondary listings are priced depending on rarity or perceived beauty or coolness. The lowest price at any given moment is called price floor, and sometimes it can go below the original mint price. For example, if the crypto market dumps, or if the owner of an NFT urgently needs liquidity. So it's worth checking new listings often. How to find and choose NFT mints on Solana. The main resource for tracking upcoming releases is https://nfsolana.io. Apart from having the most complete list of projects, it features the key info about each on the main page. The mint date website address and social media links, number of NFT in a collection, and, most importantly, the minting price. Other popular aggregators include NFT Calendar, upcoming NFT, and how rare is. With over 10 projects launching on any single day, there's enough to choose from. So it's better not to jump into the first mint you see. Rather, focus on those that are still a few days away to give yourself enough time for research. Consider the following aspects. 1. Design. Is this something you genuinely like? Will you still be happy to hold it, even if you can't sell it for a few months? 2. Price. If it's your first purchase, stick to projects with a minting price of 2 SOL or less, up to $300. There's no guarantee that the price will go up. It can go down just as easily. Consider it an experiment and only invest what you really wouldn't be sad to lose. On the other hand, don't pick an NFT just because it's cheap. Sure, there are some mints priced at 0.5 SOL and below, but the art can be of inferior quality. 3. Twitter. Check out the project's Twitter page first. What you're looking for is an active and enthusiastic team and high levels of engagement, likes, comments, retweets. Support from influencers is good, but remember, marketing money can buy lots of promo tweets, shills, but it can't buy a genuine grassroots following. 4. Discord. If you are happy with the design, price, and Twitter activity, join Discord. Check how many users there are, how the team interacts with the community. If there is a flurry of excitement in the air, the mint rules are explained clearly, etc. For example, the Sol Yetis group had over 68,000 users as of the time of writing, with new messages posted every few seconds. Getting a Phantom wallet. Phantom is a Solana wallet supported by most NFT projects and marketplaces. Think of it as MetaMask for Solana, a browser extension that easily connects to most Solana dApps. It features a built-in DEX, decentralized exchange, for swapping tokens, as well as a nice collectibles section where all your Solana NFT will be displayed. You can even stake SOL right in the wallet to earn rewards. The only real downside is that Phantom isn't available for Android or iOS, though hopefully it will be one day. Minting an NFT in 3 steps. In this tutorial, we will use the degens as an example, but all NFT mints follow the same pattern. Step 1. Be there on time. Remember, a mint can be over very quickly. If you want to be sure to get an NFT, 1. Make sure your Phantom is ready and loaded with enough SOL. 2. Double-check the launch time in Discord, usually given as UTC time, and convert it to your local time. 3. Open the mint site a few minutes before the mint starts. Wait patiently and don't go anywhere. Note that sometimes the mint page will be blank or display a message like Project X will be live soon. Keep refreshing the page. Step 2. Connect the wallet. As soon as the mint is live, you'll be able to connect Phantom. Click on Connect Wallet and choose Phantom. The wallet extension will pop up, prompting you to enter the password. Once you're logged into the wallet, agree to connect to the page. Step 3. Mint. If the connection is successful, you will see a mint button or something similar. Pick the number of NFT you want to obtain. Some projects allow you to mint up to 20 in one transaction. Others limit it to just 1. Click on it to open the wallet confirmation window. Finally, click on Approve Transaction to start minting. Step 4. See what you got. The minting process usually takes just a few seconds. You won't necessarily get any success notification at the end. Don't panic. Click on the collectibles icon in Phantom, the one with 4 little squares, and you should see the NFT there. This is the most exciting moment. What does your new non-fungible asset look like? Step 5. Keep following the updates. This is a good moment to hop back to Discord and see what others minted. It will give you an idea of your NFT relative rarity and value. Don't leave the Discord group just yet. Often teams conduct giveaways and airdrops for those users who already hold their NFT. Also, you may be entitled to a small percentage of all secondary sales through a system of royalties. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.